Hello and welcome back to Alpa Active Learning. So children, please watch my video, do like and subscribe.
Standard 8 Mathematics. Topic Expansion of Formulae.
To master this children, first thing you should learn tables very well. You should know how to add, subtract and multiply integers. And after all, learn all the formulas by heart. Expansion 1. Type a plus b the whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Now let's understand this expansion with the help of geometrical figure. Let's draw a square having the side a. Now we extend the square by the length b on both the sides, that is b. This rectangle has the length b and the height as a. Same thing will be kept below, again the length b, and here as you can see the height or the breadth is a. The remaining part is nothing but a square having the side b. So when we have extended this, we got a new figure that is also a square, and this square has the length a plus b. Right? Now if I want to find area of this square, I can write a plus b the whole square. But this square is made up of 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now look at a part 1. The area is a square. For 2, it is length into breadth AB. Same for 3, and for 4th, b into b square. Let's again solve this. A square as it is. AB plus AB is 2AB and plus b square. So a plus b the whole square, the expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's take an example. X plus 2y the whole square. Now this is a plus b the whole square. So recall the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in the formula, where a is there, we put x. Where b is there, we put 2y. So now substitute x and 2y appropriately. Now x square as it is, 2 into 2, that is 4xy we will write. Remember 2y the whole square. So here square of 2 is 4 and that of y is y square. That means 2y the whole square is 4y square. Next, 6 plus 1 upon n the whole square. Here a fraction is there, but the form is a plus b the whole square. Again write the correct formula. Instead of a, 6. Instead of b, 1 upon n. So substitute. Whenever you substitute, please check whether you have written the term properly or not, especially while squaring. So 6 square 36, very easy. 2 6s will be 12 and 1 upon n, it is 1 square as well as n square. So my answer will be 101 square. Find the value of 101 square. So here you have to write 101 as the sum of two numbers, where one number is any of tens or near to that tens. So we write 100 plus 1 the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square. So again write the formula. Instead of now a, we'll write 100. Instead of b, we'll write 1. So put 100 and 1 in proper place. Now 100 square is 10,000. Now 2 into 100, that is 200. 1s are 200. 1 square is 1. Add it all. This will be 10,201.
Second expansion, a minus b the whole square. So let's understand this with the help of a figure. We'll draw a square having a side a whose area will be a square. From this square, I will cut a rectangle having the breadth b, length a. I will get one more rectangle having the breadth b and the length is a minus b. So, whatever the part is remaining, that is a minus b. So, if I want to find out the area of a minus b the whole square, I will subtract area of AB, area of rectangle, that is b into a minus b, from a square. On solving, I will get the answer a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you have now, children, two formula, a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Let's solve 2x minus 5y the whole square. So this is nothing but a minus b the whole square. Write the correct formula. Instead of a, we'll put 2x. Instead of b, we'll put 5y. So, while substituting here, you have coefficient and variable. Write each term separately in the bracket. Check karo ek baar whether you wrote properly or not. So now, 2x the whole square, this will be 4x square. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Sign minus 20xy. And of course, 5y the whole square will be 25y square. Right? But while writing, when we have this term having coefficient and variable, remember square each of these or find the value of 98 the whole square. Here also, children, you have to use a two term in such a way that subtraction will be 98. So this will be 100 minus 2 the whole square. This is nothing but a minus b the whole square. So we write the correct formula. Now wherever a will put 100, wherever b will put 2. Okay. So just substitute correctly. Check karo. Now 100 square is 10,000. 2 into 100 into 2, 200 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4. Okay, so this will be 400 plus 2 square is 4. Now either you can add 10,000 plus 4 first, or you can the subtraction first, whichever is easy for you. So this will be 960.
Now expansion number third, a plus b into a minus b. Look at them here. The signs are different, right? So the expansion is a square minus b square. One example, 5 minus m into 5 plus m. So here the square of first number minus the square of second term. So 5 square minus m square, it is 25 minus m. So the now next term is 5m plus 3n into 5m minus 3n. This is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A square minus b square. So the square of first term minus the square of second term. So here 5 square 25 into m square minus 9 into n square. Here both the term are disliked. We cannot subtract them. Now the next, find the values using the formula. 32 and 28, we have to find one common number in which if you add any one number or subtract, you will get the desired number. So this is 30 plus 2, 32. 30 minus 2 is 28. This is again a plus b into a minus b. So we'll do the square a square minus b square formula. So 30 square minus 2 square. 30 square, if you don't know 3 square is 9, put 2 zeros. So 900 minus 4, and that is 896. Now expansion of x plus a into x plus b. Here in both this bracket, the second term is different, that is a and b. Let's understand with the help of geometrical figure. Draw a square having the side x. Now to this x you add a rectangle having the length and height as x or breadth as x. Below again add one more rectangle having here the length b and the breadth as x. So naturally the remaining part will be a rectangle, correct? So if you look at here, the length will be a and the breadth will be b. So this is a new rectangle form having the length x plus a and x plus b. In the figure you can see 4 different area. So let us find the area of blue square x square, that of green rectangle ax, yellow rectangle bx and the red one is ab. Now when solving you realize that in the ax plus bx x is a common. So take out this common factor. A plus b will be in the bracket plus ab. So your formula will be x square plus x into a plus b plus ab.
N plus 4 into n plus 3. This is nothing but x plus a into x plus b, where instead of x, n is written and instead of a, 4 instead of b, 3. So to expand, we write the formula x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. You can write x after the bracket also. So put the values correctly. Check once again. Now here first solve the bracket. 4 plus 3 is 7. So m square plus 7m plus 12. In your final answer, coefficient should always first.
N minus 3 into n minus 7. Now here the sign are different but the format remain the same, right? Both the terms are different. We write the formula now. Instead of x we put n. Now whenever minus sign is there, children, put it in a small bracket. So as you can see, instead of a minus 3, instead of b minus 7. Now here you have to remember, while adding minus plus minus, both the sign are negative. We add the number and put the negative sign. But in the last term, there is a multiplication. So minus into minus is plus. So this will be n square minus 10n plus 7 3s are 21. Now the fourth sum. Here you can see two brackets having two different terms, but even signs are different. Then also rule will remain the same, formula will remain the same. Instead of x we'll put y, a minus 4 and b 3. Remember, use the bracket to avoid all the mistakes. So now here in the second form, minus 4 plus 3. Subtract, answer will be 1 and sign of bigger number, so it will be minus 1y. Now here last bracket, 4 3s are 12 but one sign is negative, answer will be minus. So thank you so much children. Do like, comment and share the video, and remember to practice these sums very well.